Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your HTC Desire 20 Pro, for the first you have to open the notification bar, click on the Bluetooth icon and then click and hold it. Right now we are in the Bluetooth settings, and of course we have to do the same on the second smartphone that we want to connect, or any other device. And here we have to click to pair the new device. And here we got my smartphone and the available devices, so let's click on it. And right now we have to accept the pair on the both devices. And as you can see right now we are currently connected. So that's how we can do this. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!